Hi everyone, this is Karen Elaine, and I want to show you how to make these adorable hearts with kittens that you put in the pocket. I saw this on YouTube. A couple of different creators made these, but I kind of went a little crazy and added some more features and decorated them a little differently. Just changed up the folding pattern just a little bit. You're going to make two things. You're going to make a heart. You need a sheet of paper that's 6-inch square or 15 centimeters square. And for the cat, you're going to need a 3 1/8 inch square or 3 1/4. It's just in that smaller, but basically half the size of the larger sheet. So I'm going to start with the heart first, and I'm going to fold it starting with the pattern side up, or the color side up. And you do want double-sided paper. It looks better for this if you have double-sided paper. I'm using collage paper that I designed for Yasutomo. I'm folding it into a preliminary base. I'm going to just fold it in both directions. And now I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to fold in both directions. Line up those edges and crease, open it up, fold it in the other direction. Line up those creases, and then what you'll have is these mountain folds. You've got the valley folds, and you're just going to take the folds and kind of collapse them to the middle where you have two flaps on either side. That is your base. Now what you want to do is you're going to take the top flap, you're going to fold it as far as you can to the back, to this farthest corner, and give it a good crease, and do the same on the other side. Just take the top flap only and fold it to the back on both sides. Okay, then the next thing is you take these folds you just did and reverse them and tuck them inside. So I'm just going to take that and tuck it inside. The other side, I'm going to tuck it inside. Make sure it's nice and flat in there, and then close it up, and now you have your two pockets right here. Next step is you're going to take this folded edge, and you're going to bring it all the way to this top folded edge. Basically, you're just folding these top triangular shapes in half. And again, we're going to fold the other one in half. And give this a really good crease, because you're going to do, the next step is a reverse fold on these pieces you just folded. So you open it up, and you just push it inside to reverse the fold, and do the same on the other side. Open it up and push this, reverse this center, this top fold into a valley and push it down. Now you see the shape of the heart is starting to come together. Now you're going to narrow the edges and the top just to give it a little bit of a, just to give that rounded shape of the heart. So I'm making a very small fold on the sides. And instead of stopping there, what I'm doing, because one side looks great, the other side doesn't. My hands just keep slipping, everything's slipping out of my hands today. I'm going to reverse the fold that needs to, there's folds that already are inside. Now I'm going to take this and reverse that fold so it goes inside and gets kind of hidden away. I'm going to do the same thing with this side, just reverse this fold. And if it doesn't do it easily, just kind of fold it over and then reverse it and push it inside. Push it so that they both go inside the model. Okay? And give those really good creases so that they'll stay put. I'm going to take the top and I'm going to put a little, kind of narrow that a little bit. And I'm going to just take a little fold, maybe just about a little smaller than the side folds. I'm going to just, you see it looks okay. I'm going to, well, make sure it's flat or straight. And when I look at it on the other side, it looks good to me. And so I'm going to take these folds and reverse the top, this top layer only. This one's already inside. This one is already inside, so I'm just going to take this one and fold it inside. I'm doing this on both sides. Okay, heart is complete. The heart pocket is complete. If you want to glue the sides, you can, but I'm just going to leave it like this. And now I'm going to show you how to do the cat. So with the cat, you're going to make a pinch fold. You're just going to look, it's sort of as if you're folding it in half, but you're not going to fold it. You're just going to pinch on both sides just to mark that center. Open it up and fold, cupboard fold to the center, to the pinch fold you just made. Both sides, like so. Like so. Okay. Now you're going to take this top and fold the little points down on both sides. Give those a really good creasing. And then next fold this little, just fold this top right at this area here, just fold that down right at this place here. Just fold it and give it a good crease. Okay. Now open it up, unfold everything, and you're going to reverse this fold here and this fold. You're going to reverse that into a valley on both sides. Okay, and when you do that, you're going to take the center, this top here, and just push it down and fold the cupboards back together until those 2 points come up to a crease. Okay, like this. Now you're going to take, for the ears, you're going to take these little triangles and fold them in half, like this. And then fold the other one in half, just like that. And you're going to reverse these folds. These you open them up and just take them and push them inside and under until you reverse that fold, and do the same on the other side. Just take that, open it up, and push this inside and fold it back up so you have these two like pyramids. And now what you're going to do next is you're going to you're going to make the cat shape by just taking your paper, starting the fold at the outermost tip of the ears, starting that fold there, and then just kind of take it to an angle down the body. And if you have to readjust it, do that until you've got that nice point. And then just make a fold that matches on the other side. So just starting at the top, the tip of the ear, and drag that, just finish that fold so that it ends at the same, pretty much the same place down the body. And then you're going to take two folds and fold them in just a little bit at the bottom. And I'm just going to take it and fold it like this. And then just do the same thing on the other side. Kind of different angles will work. But this is how I'm going to do this one today. But you can change it up a little bit to make your cat thinner or chubbier. And now the cat is finished. Now I can see it looks pretty good. I do see a little difference in the fold on this side. So I'm going to take this fold and just kind of bring it a little closer to match the other fold a little better. And let me see if that works a little better. Okay, let's just stick it inside. It looks adorable, but let's decorate it. I'm going to be using a black and gray pen just to kind of go with with my heart. So I'm going to take a black pen and just kind of make these little eyes. And then I'm going to I'm just going to kind of change it up a little bit. I'm just going to cover that eye. And I'm using this brush tip acrylic marker. And now I'm going to use the gray to make like the ears. I kind of want it to go I'll go with the heart a little bit. Should get a blue pen. But basically, you can make it as decorative or as plain as you want. And I think that looks cute. I'm just grabbing a little pink pen, made the little nose, kind of a big one there. And then I'm just going to draw a little heart down at the bottom with my light pink. And just leave it like that. And then I'm going to take a fine tipped pen and I'm going to make whiskers. And then maybe the little face. I think that is all that's needed for this one. One more little thing, just a little dot that's going to bring the eye out just a little. There it is. And once you let that dry a little bit, you can put your cat in the heart. You can also put notes or anything you want on the second pocket in the back. Like this one, I put a little watercolor heart with, and it's just a simple heart, but you can decorate it or use just some scrap paper and make a little note to put in the back. You can put a folded note. If you're making it for Valentine's Day, there's all kinds of little things you can stick inside this pocket. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little cute tutorial on how to make these sweet little hearts with cats peeking out. And I hope you have a really, really wonderful day.